What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we're going to be continuing the web scraping project. We're trying to get something right now. Because I'm trying this by ID, how it shows here. Or used to. Yeah, it used to. But right here when we get the section, it's not by ID, it's by class. But we're going to try to get it by ID. So at this point, we're just going to try to find an ID. I don't know where they have IDs or anything like that. Oh, there's one. There's an ID. So, driver.get. Obviously, right here, we need to start our... Let's actually start it here. Headless Chrome driver. Then we're gonna create our driver right here. We're gonna go into Google. And that doesn't work, so by.id does not work, so we're gonna do this one. By, this one. By equals. I don't know what goes there. I think it's just ID. And then after that, we're gonna just have our ID in here, which is this one here. I'll just copy that one. And once it's on there, I don't know what it, I think it's a list. Find element. By.id. Why is it positional argument cannot appear after keywords? So right here, is that the ID? I think. Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Actually save it. Now while it's doing that, while it's looking for that ID, I don't even know what it's supposed to bring, so let's just look at it for a little bit. So it's an input. What type of input is it? It's a submit. Does it have any text? I think, yeah, so it's the I'm feeling lucky button. So nothing too crazy. I don't know what, once it does find that ID, what is it gonna return? That's my question right now. Let's guess. I don't think it's a text. I think it's gonna bring, it's gonna return just an overall, probably a list of options. Okay, it didn't seem like it worked, so we're just gonna go ahead and do what I didn't want to do. Actually, why do I have it open twice? Oh, we're using Beautiful Soup. I think, so what was happening there was before moving on from Selenium and back to Beautiful Soup, let's just kind of see what we need here. Maybe I should use Java instead of, oh, and this one is by, okay, let's go ahead and use that. Let's use this. Let's try it out. Yeah. Let's try it out with, let's go ahead and just remove this. So Beautiful Soup, import request. I think I already have that. I had downloaded it before. And then, I don't know if I have that OS. Where do you use OS? Let's just try it out, and if it doesn't work, then we'll see. Okay, it doesn't look like it's giving me any errors, so we're just gonna continue. For our listing URL, we're just gonna say, we're looking for, let's do HTTP. Let's just say Google. Nothing too crazy. So we're gonna go into Google. And we're just gonna find, just inside of the Google page, let's look for an element. Listing URL, soup. It's like your driver, is it? Soup. Beautiful soup. Response. So whatever we get, we're looking for the text. HTML parser. I don't know where that comes from. Probably from Beautiful Soup. And then we're gonna have listings. But we gotta remember, they're not gonna have the same class names. So how do we sort of make this a little different? So listings, we'll have an empty list here. 4 rows in soup. We're looking for a type of element. I'm gonna go ahead and print rows. Let's just print rows. 'Cause I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So we're just gonna go in here. For, let's say, for div. Let's just try for div. Let's just say that. I don't know if I need to close the request. So encoding. Hold on. Writer. I would do this one, but how long ago was it? How long ago was this built? Oh, 2023. That's not too bad. Yeah, I might do this one. But I need the full picture. Because the website kind of cuts off right here. Unless the full picture's here. No? Let's just see what happens when we print this out. I don't know if we need to close it or not. Okay, so we do get a return. So we're getting all divs. So we get a div of that. Alright, that looks good. Yeah, it looks good. It's actually pretty short. I thought it would... Oh, is it because it's not getting what's inside? It's getting just the divs themselves. Let's go back to Google. Let's try this one here. What is this one here? Let's get this text right here. So that's a div with the class of host site. That might be just randomly generated. Let's see if we can get it by class. So that would be, how would you say that? By class. Find all. It is a div. But is it getting the divs only from the outside, or? I think once you get a div, let's see. Bros.findDiv. We're gonna do some backtracking. So this belongs to this here. Which belongs to this. Which belongs to this here. Which belongs to L3 UGB. Which belongs to body. Alright, so let's look for L3 EUGB. That's a lot to look through. So let's see. Class, wait, what is it? L3. Let's just look for L3. Wait, we should probably have how do you print end of line here? Print. I don't know if it's like C++, so let's just try it out. It's \n. Let's try that out. So it could be a little bit neater. Okay, it kind of is a little bit better. Where is this here that I don't see it? GBH. Should we just look it up? Can we, is there a find here or no? We'll continue this in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.